Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the SPY ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, February 13, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. By doing so, you won't miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.69. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. It's worth noting that SPY has exceeded our expectations, delivering a solid gain of 14.72% since we first recommended buying it 70 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.21% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong and narrow upward trend in the short term. This indicates that there may be further gains within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 10.54% change expected over the next 3 months. This means that there is a chance for a return ranging from 9.01% to 12.48%. Looking at the 12-month trend, we can anticipate a 19.05% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return ranging from 4.60% to 20.91%. In terms of price, this could mean a range of $516.83 to $597.40 after 1 year. Our latest update for SPY brings an important headline: evaluation of SPY ETF downgraded after the last trading session. The price of SPY ETF experienced a decrease of 1.38% on the last trading day, Tuesday, February 13, 2024, going from $500.98 to $494.08. Throughout the day, the ETF had a fluctuation of 1.05%, reaching a low of $490.72 and a high of $495.85. In the last 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, showing a 0.65% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 54 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, with a slight increase in risk expected over the next few days. In total, approximately $50.21 billion worth of shares, equivalent to 102 million shares, were bought and sold. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.50, while the lowest price was $380.65. Currently, the price is 1.87%, or $9.42, below the 52-week high of $503.50, which also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. Let's discuss the signals for SPY, the popular ETF. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for SPY, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. As the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, we have a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. In case of further gains, the ETF may face resistance from the short-term moving average, which is at approximately $497.01. On the other hand, if there is a fall, the long-term average may provide some support around $482.73. If the short-term average is broken upwards, it will trigger a buy signal. Conversely, a breakdown through the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which may have an impact on the ETF's near short-term development. There was a sell signal from a pivot top point on Friday, February 9, 2024, resulting in a decline of -1.41% so far. This suggests a further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It is worth noting that volume increased during yesterday's falling prices, which could serve as an early warning signal. It is advisable to closely monitor the ETF in light of this information. Lastly, it is interesting to mention that the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023, as per the long-term chart. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line intersect in a special way. Such a combination often precedes significant and sustained gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to take note of is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 3 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average showed a sell signal 2 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we can observe the following trends. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 21 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 65 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 54 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals and information. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY, the popular ETF, has found support from accumulated volume at $482.91. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it is likely to trigger an upward reaction when tested. With its controlled movements and good liquidity, the overall risk associated with this stock is considered very low. In the last day, SPY experienced a price range of $5.13, or 1.05%, between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.652%. Today, let's analyze some potential day trading levels for SPY. If the market is trending upwards, keep an eye on the first resistance level for SPY at $494.17. It's advisable to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, if you already own shares, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if the market experiences a downward movement, the first support level for SPY is at $482.91. If this support level holds, it could present a potential entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $477.73, which represents a decrease of 3.31%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good investment? While SPY ETF shows several positive signals, we believe it's not quite the right time to buy. Instead, it's recommended to hold or accumulate this position and wait for further development. Our analysis has downgraded this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. On Wednesday, February 14th, we anticipate SPY to open down by $0.530 and start trading at $493.55. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest, where we provide you with insights into the stock market. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock and we're excited to hear your thoughts. So, don't forget to comment below and share your opinion. We're also curious to know what your target is for the ETF. Let's engage in this conversation together. If you find this content valuable, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. Lastly, we hope you have a successful trading day ahead. From all of us here at Stock Invest, we wish you a beautiful day. Take care.